Hey everyone, my name is Angeliqa Putri and I'm a member of Group 3. In this video, I'll describe some of the job positions that I've been interested in engineering field. Even though I'm from management major, but there are plenty of job positions that I can apply in this engineering field. And I've been gathering some of the information about these 3 positions that I'm going to talk about. So let's get started. What is Business Development Manager? What does a Business Development Manager do? Primarily, they are tasked with developing and diversifying business so that income increases and the future and growth of the organizations are guaranteed. A Business Development Manager job description should ask for a range of skills and capacities that center one of the best strategic and financial outcomes for the organizations. When writing Business Development Manager job description, suitable candidates may come from a range of industries. A person working as a business development manager in Indonesia typically earn around 1,500,000 Indonesian rupiah, that's the lowest, to 10,200,000 Indonesian rupiah, that's the highest. What is a logistic manager? What does a logistics manager do? A logistics manager oversees and manages the organization's product supply chain. They are responsible for controlling the movement of materials needed for productions into the manufacturing process and now to warehouses, distributors, and other involved in getting the end product to consumers. A logistics manager has to be able to manage inventory so that it is available when needed to restock distributor or retail warehouse while keeping transportations and warehousing costs low. A person working as a logistic manager in Indonesia typically earn around 22 million Indonesian rupiah, that's the lowest, to 33 million Indonesian rupiah, that's the highest. And to become a logistic manager with that salary range, you have to at least have a 6 years experience working in a logistic related field. What is sales manager? Sales managers are responsible for leading sales teams to reach sales targets. Sales managers are primarily tasked with hiring and training team members, setting quotas, evaluating and adjusting performance, and developing process that drive sales. Sales managers are oftentimes expected to travel. Sales managers usually need a bachelor's degree in business or a related field. Additionally, sales managers typically need to have several years of experience in sales prior to becoming a manager. Oftentimes, sales managers are promoted into sales director positions. The best sales managers have strong analytical skill, excellent leadership abilities, and exceptional customer service skills. A person working as a sales manager in Indonesia typically earn around 98 million Indonesian rupiah per year, and the salary range start from 3,750,000 Indonesian rupiah, that's the lowest, to 14 million Indonesian rupiah, that's the highest.
Hello, my name is Patricia Clairine Wangge from Group 3. Today, I will tell you some careers that I have interested in engineering and management aspect. So I took all of this occupation in industrial engineering because I like producing something that have an impact in society. So the first career I want to tell is project management analyst. Being an analyst is not that easy because you have to collect lots of data and doing some observation. This is interesting to me because for some reason I like to do some observation, and if I do something, it has to be structured. In general, a project management analyst is responsible for providing analytical support for various projects, like assisting in budget analysis and financial analysis. For the financial analysis, like drafting cost estimates, work statements, and financial reports. Project management analysts can be business analysts too, because they have the same work styles, like analytical thinking, integrity, adaptability or flexibility, initiative, cooperation, competent verbal communication, and deep listening skills. But I think I have to improve the skills that I like for. The skills are analytical thinking, verbal communication, and deep listening. For the salary offered by this job is quite attractive, around 17 to 23 million rupiah per month. Now the second job is Environmental Health and Safety Engineers, or EHS engineers. These jobs are tasked with minimizing a variety of risks to their companies. They perform audits in order to identify these risks and how to mitigate them. and determining environmental impacts frequently involves both observation and test. EHS engineers monitor natural conditions as well as the impact that humans have on these conditions. They also assess possible hazards that may be present, from physical dangers such as the development of flood plains and mountain faces, to contaminants that may be in the soil, air, or water. The employees of EHS must have these skills. First, active listening, like giving full attention to what other people are saying. Second is critical thinking. Third is reading comprehension, like understanding written sentences and paragraphs in work-related documents. So they are not only good at environmental matters, but must be good at taking care of documentation. And last skills is complex problem solving. So I need to improve my listening skills and think critically to what problem was going on. The salary offered by this job is around 10 million rupiah per month. Now the last job is quality control engineers. They are responsible for testing new products and determining whether those products meet the standards of the business in reliability, durability, and functionality. The quality engineers' responsibilities include designing quality standards, inspecting materials, equipment, processes, and products, developing quality control systems, and determining corrective actions. They will also work with managers and supervisors to implement quality measures. This work caught my attention because it was more concerned with the quality of work that would have an impact on workers and the surrounding environment. The work activities of QC are interpret research or operational data. Second, test quality of materials or finished products. Third, maintain laboratory or technical equipment. Fourth, calibrate scientific or technical equipment. And last, evaluate quality of materials or product. Quality engineers must have the skills like giving attention to detail to ensure that products are being manufactured, installed, or are operating to the required specifications, and analysis or critical thinking and problem-solving skills. The salary offered by this job is around 10 million rupiah per month.
Hi everyone, my name is Revie Puteri Salva. I am a member of Group 3. In this video, I will describe some of the jobs I am interested in engineering field, although I will become a management graduate. It turns out after I observed what jobs I can apply after graduating, surprisingly, I can apply for jobs anywhere. I am very interested in being able to work in the petrochemical fields. And of course, I've been eyeing several positions for me to work in the future. To get a job I want, I have to fix my shortcomings by improving my analytical skills and social networking. The job I will apply when I graduate is first to be a sales executive. It's a required qualification such as undergraduate and being able to apply after 1 year experience. The most interesting thing is the salary range, even though as a new graduate could get 11 million to 22 million rupiah. Tantalizing, isn't it? I definitely want to be promoted, namely to become a technical sales support executive whose qualifications are if you want to occupy that position on the condition that you have 3 years of work experience. Of course, the salary you get will increase from 17 million to 33 million rupiah. In addition, the age factor, which is required me to have a permanent job to spend my life in the world, I want to be promoted to sales development manager. The qualification is 7 years of work experience And of course, the salary that we got is more than enough. Start from 21 million until 45 million rupiah. All of these jobs are very attractive to me because of three things. The first, I will have a large salary and get some bonus. The second, many sales positions have the benefit of a flexible schedule because I don't like being organized. And the last one can train me to practice many abilities because I like to challenge myself. Yay! Finally, all of the information that I have been mentioned is based on Kelly Indonesia on 2020 and based on my opinion. Thank you!